All right, everybody, here we are with the October drone drop. Let's go ahead and get this opened up. Take a look at what we got going on here. I haven't read any spoilers or nothing like that. Newbie drone. Nice TARANIS strap here. It's got the clip. That's pretty nice. Clip that. Real nice clasp. I don't usually use a strap, but might have to in this case. Alright, ND4 TBS filters. I actually have a couple of those right here. Those will work great in my, not that one, in my Source 1 mount that I just printed. So that's an ND4. They also have, I think, a 2 and an 8. Definitely the 8 I find is the best, but the 4 is good for all around, especially this time of year since the weather and the lighting is getting short. I've actually been thinking about buying this lately. This is the Newbie Drone Max Comfort foam pad for our Fat Sharks. I'm using the one right now on my Fat Sharks that has kind of like the vinyl around it. Get this out of the package here. And putting it over my eyeballs, it actually does feel pretty good. So I'm definitely excited about that. Man, nice box so far, real nice box. Let's see what kind of props we got here. 5.1 by 4.1 by 3. So I do fly 5.1 inch props. And we've got 2 green pair and 2 blue. I definitely encourage everybody to try these 5.1s. They're pretty nice. I've been running the 4 by 6s. Now these are 4.1s, so they're pretty low pitch, but that's pretty nice. Excuse me. A Newbie Drone Velcro strap. Wow, really thick type of strap. Looks like it'd be good for micros. And then stickers down there. Nothing else underneath the stickers. And then the Typhoon 4-in-1 Racer ESC 30 amp BL Heli S. So it's not a BL Heli 32, but that's fine with me. So, not sure if I will use this, but I'll definitely keep a hold of it. Or maybe put that up on the old RC groups or something for somebody. I've got a couple 4-in-1s kicking around. My quads that I run, I typically use all individual ESCs. I'm not into the racing and stuff like that. So, all in all, definitely a good drop. Way to go, guys. Big thumbs up. Real happy with everything there. droneboxdrop.com. Talk to you guys later.